Hello grade 12. Welcome back to my lecture. In the previous lecture we discussed about the transcription. So today we will discuss next part of the chapter. Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. So let's start today's lecture. Today we will discuss about the mRNA, which is also known as messenger RNA. It is the form of RNA. RNA is of three types: mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. Okay. So mRNA is the RNA that carry message from DNA to the site of the protein synthesis. It represents about 5 to 10% of total RNA of the cell. And mRNA carries the genetic information in the form of triplet codon. Okay, like AUG, GUG, like that. mRNA is a single strand polynucleotide chain. In the upper part, you can see the structure of typical human protein, which is coding for mRNA, which include untranslated region, that is UTR. The eukaryotic mRNA contain a cap at the 5' end, which is composed of 7-methyl guanosine, and it is absent in the prokaryotic mRNA. Next to the cap, it has non-coding region, that is known as leader sequence. And next to it has an initiator codon, that is AUG, which initiate the protein synthesis. Okay, that is eukaryotic mRNA molecule. So next to the initiator codon, first is 5' cap, then leader, which have a few bases to orient mRNA on ribosome, then initiator codon, which is AUG, and next to the AUG the coding sequence is present, which code for the specific protein, that is known as exon. And next to this, terminator codon, okay, that UAA, UGA and UAG present, which terminate or stop the protein synthesis. And next to this again, non-coding region is present. In eukaryotic mRNA, poly A tail is present at 3' end. Now, the function of the mRNA that help in binding of the ribosome to mRNA. Okay. Second, it act as an enzyme, that is ribozyme, which help in the formation of peptide bond during the protein synthesis, so that protein can be stable. Okay, peptide bond is present between the protein. Now, difference between DNA and RNA. DNA, which has high molecular weight, whereas RNA is low molecular weight. DNA is double stranded polynucleotide chain and RNA is single stranded polynucleotide chain. DNA, the deoxyribose sugar, that is the pentose sugar, and ribose is also the pentose sugar. In DNA, thymine is present, whereas in RNA, uracil is present. In DNA, unusual nitrogen bases are absent. In RNA, unusual nitrogen bases are present. In DNA, genetic material of living organism, that is DNA. And RNA is also act as genetic material, but that is present in some viruses as a genetic material. So that is the difference between the DNA and RNA. After that, RNA polymerase is also called DNA dependent RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase 1 is found in nucleolus and help in synthesis of rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA. Hence, nucleolus is called ribosome, factory of the cell. because it help in the ribosome formation. So RNA polymerase 2 help in synthesis of mRNA, and RNA polymerase 3 help in synthesis of tRNA. tRNA, that is transfer RNA. So ribosomal RNA is the insoluble RNA. Okay. Next is the Pribno box. What is that Pribno box? It is a DNA sequence which is found in the promoter region of the gene in prokaryote. It has the sequence of TATAATG. Next is the Tata box, or you can say TATA box. The TATA box, also known as Goldberg-Hodgkin box. The Tata box is a DNA sequence which is found in the promoter region of the gene in eukaryotes, and it has the sequence of TATAAAT. Okay, that's why it is known as Tata box. So next to it is the concepts of the gene. Gene is the basic unit of inheritance that express specific character. In 1857, G.J. Mendel, Gregor Johann Mendel, conducted hybridization experiment with pea plant, and he called them as a factor. In 1909, Danish botanist Johansen, which proposed that each portion of the chromosome that control a phenotype, which is known as gene. And in 1941, George W. Beadle and Edward L. Totum discovered that gene control the production of enzyme, and they proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. After that, in 1944, Oswald T. Avery announced that DNA is the substance which is responsible for heredity. And in 1950, Watson and Crick discovered chemical structure of DNA. The gene is made up of specific sequence of DNA nucleotide. Seymour Benzer proposed modern concept of the genes while working on E. coli and T4 bacteriophage. According to him, gene is a cistron, a recon, a muton, and a replicon. Okay, so what are these terms that we will discuss one by one? Now, what is cistron? It is structural gene, okay, and it is functional unit of DNA molecule that codes for specific protein. Next, recon, it is the unit of DNA that undergoes for recombination. Third is the muton. It is the unit of DNA that capable to undergo mutation. Last is the replicon. Okay, replicon is the unit of DNA that undergoes replication. Okay. Now genetic code, the three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid present in DNA is called genetic code. Codon, the three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid present in mRNA is called codon. Anticodon, the three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid which is present in anticodon arm of tRNA, that is transfer RNA, is called anticodon. Anticodon is the complementary to codon. If codon is AUG, then anticodon will be the reverse of AUG. A, that means U, U to A, G to C. Okay. So, rest part of this chapter that we will discuss in the next lecture. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the doubt session. okay, that we will conduct on the time. So till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy, and thank you.